Catfish people, what's up? Hey, we out here in the shop today. Got a few busted up rod holders. Let me turn this around. Hey, you got to keep up with your stuff, you know. So I got all my rod holders. I'm gonna go over all of them, assess any damage done to them, because I have been using them quite a lot here lately. And let me turn this back around. Hey, and we're gonna get these set up, and we are going to fix the rod holder stool that I got right here. We're gonna do some modifications to this thing. Hey, stay tuned. Let's see what happens. People, hey, I think we're done. We've done a lot of modifications, and I don't got the angle iron. I don't got the rebar that I bent to put in a piece. That's in the truck. But hey, let's flip this around and show y'all what we got. All right, we redid them. Got them staked back. Got the busted ones out of there. Had to cut a few down. So we got all those good. We got this little one over here. It'll hold that big cat rod, or small ugly stick rod. So we got them all fixed up, screwed back in together. I'll show y'all here. They just bolted on, screwed in. I don't know if y'all can see down in there or not. Yeah, y'all can see it in there. All right, now let's show y'all this one. What I done was I took a old piece of plywood that I had. That's why it's crooked, because I ain't doing no cutting. And the holes that were already in here, I just drilled through the plywood and rebolted that down, and then I mounted these to the plywood. Y'all see how it is? Let's give y'all a backup view. All right, and now these, I had the eye bolts through the front, and I noticed last time I used them, it was a little bit of a problem. So I raised them and put them on the sides. So I think that'll work, and I brought this back out some so that I can unclip it better. And I cut me a hole here. I'm gonna cut me some more holes in here so I can put my cutting knife and my scissors and my pliers and whatever else not. But there y'all go. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Hey, let's turn it back around. Hey, y'all tell me what y'all think. We worked on it. We got it together. Making some more things. Gonna try to make some bobber floats. Just been watching a lot of YouTube. This right here, I'm gonna tell you honestly, a lot of this came from Hack to Fish. He's a big, Brian. I watch a lot of his stuff. I really do. And Chunky Cats. I was seeing how Chunky Cats had his cart set up, and he had the board on the back with the rods. His is more straight up, but hey, I had to work with what I got. I could probably put me a spacer back in there and bring them where they stand more straight up and down if I feel like I got a problem with that. But if not, we're gonna leave it the way it is. But hey, always, y'all get out there, watch some YouTube videos. You'll learn a whole lot of stuff. A lot of these rod holders and these things, I watch them guys, the way they build theirs, and I said, well, part of that'll work for me, and part of this other will work for me. So, hey, let's see if we can combine all this together and see what we can come up with. But this thing worked supremely well with just the two on it when I was fishing. Caught fish off of it. I mean, it worked really, really, really well. And I couldn't see where adding two more rods right in the middle would be a problem. So, hey, sun's coming in, beating me down here. Hey, let's wrap this all up, do a little editing. Who knows, we might go to a little fishing. But if not, hey, God bless, tight lines. If you like this video, hit the little bell, subscribe button. More DIYs to come. You can check me out on Facebook, Richard Stokes, TikTok, Forgotten Soul 76, or right here, bringing you videos, catfish to the bank and gear. God bless.